Yo, what's up? I have to say thank you everyone for 102 followers on my channel. Yeah, it's late, but better than nothing. Today we have my bike here. I hope I could fix to take a bike check one day, but then I have to have more silence, I feel. So yeah, I can take a small one. This is a Mafia bike Hitman. You can begin with back wheel. I have Odyssey Hazard lights, Mimi head profile, gold. I don't remember that peg. Odyssey twisted pedals, BSD crank, and I have sprocket. It's the same. 28 T. Shadow seats, fly bike, Alta stem, and Hitman bars and fork. I have 27 offsets, gold profile mini hubs, and the same rim, the front wheel. And I have also fly bike headset. I love this bike. This is the best bike I ever had. And I have also ODI grips, different color. That's cool.